This is Matt, and this will be a short video on how to add a gradient background color in Canva. So I'm right here in a Canva project. These are some of my YouTube thumbnails here, right here for this channel. And what I've got, as you can see, I do have this standard kind of purple background, but you can see this one right here clearly has a gradient. It's going from like a dark, dark black right into this kind of light blue. So the gradient obviously changes as it goes across the image. Now, how did I get that? How do we actually do this? I'll show you on this image here actually. All you need to do is first to actually change your main background color, you can literally click on the background there, so not on one of the images or the text or anything. We want to be on the actual background color. So this is this nice purple that I've got right here. Come up to the very top in the toolbar, click on background color. Now we have all of our different kind of document colors here. You can choose any of those. It's instantly reflected here. You can see the changes. That actually pops quite nicely there with that little background with the kind of little drop shadow that's going on there on the image of me. We can do any of these colors right here. We can choose a hex code here, or we can kind of be granular and sort of finesse this like that. We can color pick as well and match a color that's within the design. All the usual stuff. You can do photo colors, you can do solid colors, but the gradients, the secret sauce as it were, is at the bottom here. So we can choose any of these gradients. So you've got the top to bottom ones, you've got the horizontal ones like I showed here, so that matches that one there. But if gradients are your thing, if you want this kind of, I guess it's quite a modern look these days, a lot of people are doing gradients, especially in their YouTube thumbnails. You don't have to be doing YouTube thumbnails, obviously. I'm just clicking through a few as we go right here, and you can see some of these are quite nice. Your mileage might vary depending on what you want. You can actually click see all and you'll have an absolute ton of different gradients. You've got the monochromatic ones, the cool tones, the warm tones, and all gradients there. So some of these monochromatic ones are quite cool actually. But yeah, have some fun with this. Choose your gradients, whatever kind of images you're doing, whatever kind of projects you're doing in Canva. Hopefully you found this video on how to do background gradients on Canva useful. I've shown you a few examples here. If you found this video useful, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.